Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. So now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at FX Governor. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Bernhard Roselberg. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Priced at 199 US dollars to buy, with rental options starting at 39 US dollars per month up to 129 US dollars for 6 months at a 45% saving. 3 months is going for 79 US dollars. It's on version 2.101. Scrolling into the description, this is a multi-currency Forex expert advisor that combines an internal portfolio of H1 and M15 strategy candidates with automatic balance scaling and candidate specific weighting built directly into the EA rather than exposed as user adjustable parameters. It also includes an optional risk governor, all right, as we can see stated here. Now, moving into the core idea, this trades Forex pairs only, all right, no indices, metals, or crypto. The internal portfolio includes 26 H1 candidates and 60 M15 candidates, each with its own built-in weighting, along with automatic balance scaling, a profit ramp for a controlled start, and daily and total stop limits. Okay, so the listing specifies the traded pairs directly, covering combinations across AUD, CHF, Euro, GBP, NZD, and USD, with support for broker-specific symbol prefixes and suffixes. Now, going through the status panel, it displays whether the EA is currently allowed to trade, the selected risk profile, conservative, balanced, aggressive, or custom, whether the risk governor is actively reducing risk during drawdown, the current risk multiplier being applied, and running daily and total loss figures against their configured stops. Now, scrolling into the inputs, general settings cover trading, enable and disable, a magic number, and optional spread and total lot limits. The risk section lets you choose a risk profile, okay, with conservative at roughly half base risk and aggressive at about 1.35 times base risk, along with a reference balance setting specifically designed for prop firm accounts. So the EA scales correctly to a challenge size rather than the account's live balance. There is also a daily and total stop percentage and a daily reset mode that can align with a broker's server hour or a fixed midnight reset. Further down, there is a detailed prop firm settings. The settings section recommends conservative starting points, a reference balance matching the original challenge size, the risk governor enabled, and daily and total stop percentages set noticeably below the firm's official limits to leave a safety margin. Okay. The listing closes with a clear notice that this is not a guarantee of passing any challenge, and that results depend on a wide range of external factors. Now, let us get into the back test that I ran myself. Okay. This test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of about $500. Now let us break down how it got there. This test ran across 8 different forex pairs simultaneously from the start of January, from the start of January through mid-July 2026, with history quality at 100%. Across 64 total trades, the win rate came in at 37.5%. Maximum drawdown stayed fairly contained at just under 5.7% on an equity basis, right? Which is worth noting given the built-in daily and total stop mechanisms described on the listing. For the balance basis, we have the drawdown at under 5.4%. Okay, and then of course, since we have a controlled drawdown here, it's worth noting. All right. So the profit factor came in at 0.41 and the expected payoff per trade was negative. I would recommend testing this across a longer period yourself and specifically experimenting with the different risk profile settings, since this test used one particular configuration out of several available. All right. Looking at the average profit and the average loss, we have average profit at $14.51, average loss $21.23. So the average loss was actually more than the average profit. And we had 2 consecutive wins, and we had maximum consecutive wins, and we had 7 maximum consecutive losses, and the difference is quite much. Okay, heading over to the graph, we can see how the balance and equity curve had just been declining over time. Instead of rising over time, this one was declining over time. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have seen so far from the back testing, from the marketplace page and all of that, this test came out negative, but with contained drawdown. Okay, with contained drawdown, which lines up with a system built around daily and total stop protections. As always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, so I will recommend that you test it across different risk profiles and longer periods before considering live or challenge use. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.